This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is a mid-range smartphone and it is released in March 2025. It is designed to offer a premium experience at an affordable price. It comes with AI-powered features, a large display and a long-lasting battery, making it great choice for everyday use. Now we will see the product features. The phone has sleek design with glass front and back protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. It is IP67 rated, which means it is dust and water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. This smartphone features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits brightness. The screen is great for watching videos and gaming. The phone has a triple rear camera setup. It has a 50 MP main camera, 8 MP ultra wide camera, 5 MP macro camera. It also has a 12 MP front camera for selfies. The camera supports 4K video recording and features like AI portrait mode and nightography for better low light photos. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. The phone handles multitasking and light gaming smoothly. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery and supports 45-watt fast charging, allowing you to charge the phone quickly. This smartphone runs on Android 15 with One UI 7 and offers 6 years of OS updates and 6 years of security updates, ensuring long-term usability. Now we will see the technical details. Here you can see the dimension. Weight is 195 grams. Display is 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor is Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. RAM comes with 6 GB or 8 GB or 12 GB. Storage comes with 128 GB or 256 GB and no expandable storage. Battery comes with 5000 mAh with 45-watt fast charging. Cameras 50 MB plus 8 MB plus 5 MB rear camera and 12 MB front camera. Connectivity supported are 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC. Colors comes with lavender, black, white and lime. Now we will see what are the pros of this smartphone. First point is great display. The 120 Hz Super AMOLED screen offers smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Second point is long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery lasts all day and 45-watt fast charging refills it quickly. Third point is durable build. The Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and IP67 rating, making it resistant to scratches, dust and water. Fourth point is good cameras. The 50 MB main camera takes sharp photos and AI features enhance the photography experience. Fifth point is software support. 6 years of updates ensure the phone stays secure and up to date. What are the cons of this smartphone? No wireless charging. Unlike some competitors, it lacks wireless charging. No expandable storage. The phone does not support micro SD cards. Mid-range processor. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 is good for everyday tasks, but may struggle with heavy gaming. No headphone jack. You will need wireless headphones or a USB-C adapter. What are the customer positive feedbacks? Great value for money. Many users appreciate the premium features at a mid-range price. Excellent display. The 120 Hz AMOLED screen is priced for its smoothness and brightness. Long-lasting battery. Users love the 5000 mAh battery and fast charging. Good camera performance. The 50 MP camera and AI features are highlighted for taking sharp and vibrant photos. Durable design. The Gorilla Glass and IP67 rating are appreciated for added durability. In US, the price is approximately $400. In India, the starting price is 32,999 rupees.